Good morning, children. This is class 4 and the lesson is the magic powder. I hope you enjoyed the lesson and you understood the entire story, which I would like you to narrate in your next videos whenever I give you a chance to do it. Now, in this magic powder, the first question which you have to do it in your class 4 copy is make sentences with the following words. The first word is ingredient. Now, what do you mean by ingredient? Ingredient is that when you put something in a dish, maybe in the form of spices or maybe water, these are all the ingredients. So you can make a sentence with ingredient, and the ingredient what sentence can you make? I can give an example like my mother puts lot of ingredients while cooking pulao, or my mother puts lot of ingredients when she's making any particular dish, whatever you feel which requires lot of ingredients. Ingredient means lot of inputs. बहुत सारी चीज़ें जब ingredients डालते हैं. Second word is verge. Verge means very near to the moment when something happens. कुछ एकदम होने वाला होता है, उसको verge बोलते हैं. So the sentence could be I was on the verge of crying when I saw that accident happening on the road. When I saw that accident on the road, I was on the verge of crying. मैं एकदम से रोने लग गया या रोना मेरा शुरू हो गया जब मैंने एक्सीडेंट रोड पे देखा. Disheartened. What do you mean by disheartened? Having lost hope. When you lose all hope. So I was disheartened when I got less marks in the exam. I was disheartened when my grandparents went to my uncle's house. I was disheartened when my friend left my house. Okay, so disheartened means when you lose hope. Okay, next is cast certain spells. Now I told you what do you mean by cast certain spells. Cast certain spells means it's been actually used by a magician. So what do? So when they have to play some tricks, they speak some words like abracadabra, gili gili. These are all cast certain spells. They spell some words. So the magician casted certain spells and the pigeon just disappeared from the table. Okay, so they just cast certain spells. Musicians, they speak certain words which makes the things happen, which actually creates tricks for them. Sapling means a small plant. A tree grows into a sapling grows into a big tree when you water them. When you water them, when you give them sunlight, when you give them some manure, so the saplings become into a big tree. Okay. Chanting. Now what do you mean by chanting? Mantra dharana, chanting. My grandmother chants when she goes to the temple. So these are the words of which you have to make sentences. Make good sentences. And now the next portion of your book, or the exercise which you have to do it in your book, is book as well as copies, page number 29. Now complete the following sentences. It's very easy. Zia and Thiri lived in. You can always see from the book they lived in. Zia and Thiri lived in where? Zia, they lived in. Can you make out from there? How will you do this answer? She was happily married to a good man named Thiri, but there was one problem. They nagged her husband really that he was on the banks. Yeah, they lived in a little village. Zia and Thiri lived in a little village on the banks of Iravadi river. So children, what I would like you to do is, because a lot of children have old books, so there is no point that you do it in the book. You do this quick answers in your notebook only. But matching you can do it here. But this question number 1 you have to do it in your notebook. Zia and Thiri lived in a little village on the banks of Irrawaddy river. Now next, Thiri did not stop his experiments when Zia asked him to, because he thought, what did he think? Thiri did not stop because he thought that he was an alchemist, and like other alchemists he believed he could make gold. Because Thiri did not stop his experiments when Zia asked him to, because he thought that he would make gold. He did not stop. He thought that he would. He thought that he is an alchemist. He is an alchemist, and he could make gold. That was the reason he never stopped. Yes. So Zia's father was. Who was Zia's father? Yes. Tell me, Zia's father was? He was a wise old Wen. Zia approached her father, wise old Wen, he thought for a while and asked to see Thiri. His father was a very wise old man. Zia's father asked Thiri to do what? He was taken by when his father-in-law took him aside and whispered, when I was young like you, I was an alchemist too. Zia's father asked Thiri to do what? But this I am too old for this task. It requires not much. Then let me do. What did he say? Zia's father asked Thiri to put a separate ingredient or put an ingredient in the in making the banana leaves. That is, he has to put a secret ingredient, and that is a silver powder that is only found on banana leaves. What did he say? He had to put this secret ingredient, which is a silver powder that is only found on banana leaves. So this is what he's told Thiri. So these 4 questions, A, B, C, D, you have to do it in your classwork copy. Now match the following. It is very easy. Thiri wanted to turn dirt into gold. Zia was worried as Thiri spent all day dreaming while they had no money. Old Wen provided a solution to Zia's problem. Thiri was able to buy a field because Wen loaned him some money. It took Thiri several years to collect the silver powder. So please do the matching by yourself. And question number 1 you have to do it in your notebook. And question number 3, reference to contact. Soon all their money had run out and Zia had to struggle to buy food for the 2 of them. You should find a job soon, she pleaded with Thiri. We cannot continue like this. Why did Thiri not have a job? Thiri never had a job because he was an alchemist, and he used to claim that he could turn dust into gold. So that's why he never had a job. Find words in the lines above that mean. I tried very hard to do something that is not easy. Ask for something with strong feeling. Did Thiri listen to her? After the A part, why did Thiri not have a job? Thiri never had a job because he was an alchemist, and he always claimed, he also always used to say that he can turn dust into gold, dirt into gold. So he never took up a job. He was always interested in doing these magical tricks, which was actually worthless, which was actually not real, but he was always believing that he'll be, he'll become rich by doing all this. And then B part, find words in the lines above that mean tried very hard to do something that is not easy. So if you try something very hard to do something that is not easy, what is the word? The word in these line is struggle. When you struggle to do something which is not easy, so struggle is a word. So in one part you have to write struggle against the line. Ask for something with strong feeling. When you ask somebody something with strong feeling, that means plead it. What does it mean? Plead it. Plead it मतलब जब आप when you pleaded for something, बहुत strongly किसी को आप कुछ request करते हो, उसको plead बोला जाता है. Plead it. C part. Did Thierry listen to her? Did Thierry listen to his wife? No, he did not listen. Whom did Zia then turn to for help? She turned to her father, whose name was Wen. So A and B part, I have done it with you. After that, fourth question. Now just read fourth question. Then he went to the field and came back with a handful of dirt, which he placed next to the heap of gold. You see, Thierry, he said, turning to his son-in-law, you have changed dirt into gold. Now this is the last part of the story when that is Thierry's father-in-law went and got what did he get? He got the gold coins which he placed on the table, and he also got the dirt in the side. Heap of gold means some gold pieces, and he turned it to the son-in-law. So he says, you have changed dirt into gold. So he just tried to tell him that you have changed dirt into gold. Who went to the field? What did he bring back? Who went to the field? Is it Thierry or is it Wen? It was Wen, I think. Please search from the book. Who went to the field? And what did he bring back? He brought back the heap of gold as well as the dirt. Find the opposites of the following words.